Welcome to Chandu's Kitchen. Hi viewers, let's see how to prepare one of my favorite starter, Aloo Paneer Tikka. Ingredients: curd, tomato, potato, green bell peppers, onions, yellow bell peppers, paneer. Oil, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, garam masala, salt to taste, ginger garlic paste, cumin powder, half lime juice, 2 skewers. Take a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup of curd. Now let us add the spices. 1 spoon of red chilli powder, 1 spoon of turmeric, 1 spoon cumin powder, 1 spoon ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, 1 spoon of garam masala. Add 2 tablespoons of lime juice. After mixing the ingredients to a fine paste, let us add bell peppers, onions, tomato. Mix the masala with the veggies until the masala is coated evenly. Now take another mixing bowl and transfer all the veggies leaving behind the masala, which will be used for coating the paneer and aloo. Now let's add aloo and paneer to the mixing bowl. Now gently mix them all with the help of your hand. Let the veggies and the paneer marinate for an hour. After an hour, let us switch on the stove. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Now gently place the paneer and aloo on the frying pan. Shallow fry the paneer and aloo in a low flame for the next 5 minutes. Flip the aloo and paneer in regular intervals so that they cook evenly. When the texture of the paneer and aloo turns golden brown, it has cooked sufficiently. The texture of the paneer has turned golden brown. Now you can remove them from the pan. Take a wooden skewer. Pierce the veggies one by one. Pick different veggies so that it tastes delicious, along with paneer and aloo. Aloo Paneer Tikka tastes awesome with mint green dip. Please check the above link for my video on preparing mint green dip. After arranging all the veggies along with paneer, it looks awesome. Now let's start frying. Switch on the stove. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Now gently place all the veggies on the frying pan, which we had arranged earlier on a skewer. Cook the veggies on a low flame for 5 minutes. Turn the veggies at regular intervals so that it cooks evenly. The texture of the veggies have turned brown and the frying is done. Now our yummy Aloo Paneer Tikka is ready. Serve it with mint green dip. Also like this video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching and check out my other videos.